Today's pretty exciting because the direct fit replacement muffler showed up. It's a Walker Quiet Flow SS and it's like 2.4 inch in and out, so this should bolt up to the factory pipework going up to the cat and then to the Walker delete pipe that I got last week. And this is the part number if anyone cares. Okay, so this little chunk of pipe needs to go away, and this also needs to go away, and then, I know this is hard to film from here, anyway, under here also this muffler, I think the muffler's right there, that needs to go away as well, and then we're gonna put all of this stuff on. So I'm gonna crawl underneath and just start taking things off and see you in a minute. This is literally what's left of the old exhaust. This is the original muffler. This is the resonator. Oh wait, there is no resonator. And then there's this rusty pipe that fell out of the muffler. So there you go. New stuff time. There's a new muffler and everything. So I'm gonna have a beer and then we'll fire it up. It looks like I'm making a heavy metal video now, and all I wanted to say is, how long did that take? Like, how long we're at that? It took 2 hours to do a bolt-in exhaust on that car because unbolting the old exhaust was such a damn nightmare, and I'm still short 1 U-bolt, which I'm going to pick up tomorrow and put onto the back of it, tuck everything up nice.